Globalization and scope of sociology. Globalization refers to the increasing interconnectedness and interdependence of countries and societies worldwide. It encompasses economic, social, political, and cultural exchanges that transcend national boundaries, leading to the integration of markets, ideas, technologies, and cultures. How globalization expands the scope of sociology. New areas of research. The emergence of global issues such as migration, transnational social movements, global inequality, and environmental challenges has expanded sociological inquiry beyond traditional boundaries. Sociologists now study topics like cultural hybridity, consumerism, global media, and the impact of multinational corporations. 2. Changing social structures. Globalization has led to shifts from traditional, caste-based or community-based perspectives to more fluid, class-based and transnational analyses, especially in countries like India. The rise of new social classes, urbanization, and changing work patterns, example, the IT sector, are key areas of focus. 3. Transformation of social institutions. Family, education, religion, and political systems are all being reshaped by global influences. There is increased attention to how these institutions adapt to global norms, values, and technologies. 4. Focus on social change and identity. The rapid pace of global change has led sociologists to examine issues of identity, cultural preservation, and the negotiation of tradition versus modernity. Topics such as secularism, religious pluralism, and the impact of Western culture are now central to sociological research. 5. Policy and applied sociology. Sociological research increasingly informs public policy on global issues like migration, human rights, and environmental sustainability. The discipline now plays a vital role in understanding and addressing the effects of globalization on inequality, governance, and social justice.